Tachometer RPM gauge for the left-hand engine located within an instrument panel for an E111 M56 painted in white lettering above it.
What is a tachometer? A tachometer, also known as a revolution counter, is a device that measures the revolution of a spinning object to calculate and monitor the rotation speed. In the industrial manufacturing industry, it is commonly used to measure and monitor the speed of a rotating motor shaft. This ability to monitor the speed will prevent damage to equipment as well as reduce loss of material. This is due to early detection of changes in the motor's speed. How the tachometer calculates the speed of rotation or provides the reading will determine the type of tachometer it is. There are 6 different types of tachometers: direct contact or non-contact, time-based or frequency-based, and analog or digital. Contact tachometers are fixed to the machine or electric motor and have direct contact. Non-contact tachometers commonly use a laser that is directed by the tachometer. Time measurement tachometers measure the time interval between incoming pulses, while frequency-based tachometers measure the frequency of the pulses. Analog tachometers provide an analog reading, and digital tachometers